One of the things I like about going camping myself is that I always find another problem I can solve. And I've had a problem on the back of my car that I needed extra flat table area that I could easily access, easy put it there and pack it away. And at the same time, I had a problem that when I wanted to do fire cooking, I wanted to have something where I can put my pots and pans on and start cooking away rather than having to put it into the flames all the time and then burn my face and my hands and everything. So about a year, roughly, that went into designing this, and we gave it to Harry from Fire to Fork, and he's really good at breaking things, but he couldn't break this. So behold, this is a barbecue. You can put it together like that, put it on the ground, put some coals underneath it, and you can either cook right on top of this, or you can put your pots and pans on and your camp oven and whatever else. But because that is not enough, because I think everything should have at least 2 different use cases, you can pull this apart and hang it off your wheel carrier. And since you got 2, you can hang 2 off the wheel carrier. And then drop a basin into it so you can wash your dishes, but you also got a little table. You don't want to sit on it. It's not solid enough for that, but it's good enough for washing up and then putting things next to it, prepping stuff. And when you're done, you can put the collapsible sink away. Usually you wouldn't have that in the back of the car, but it would just go wherever you got some space. Put these back into each other. And you slide them back behind the jerry can, where they take up no space whatsoever. To make sure you don't lose them, you can put a little strap around it, because usually you've got these here. So you put a little strap over the top that it doesn't fall out. And just in case you don't have a jerry can holder, we've made these in a way that they fit almost every standard drawer, because you can just pull out the drawer, put that inside the drawer, and it takes up almost no space at all. If you haven't got a jerry can holder, you might have not got anything where you can hang them. So we made brackets that you can quite easily mount to the side of the vehicle. They don't protrude out, or just a little tiny bit. And when you hang the table onto them, we've made them in a way that this is not possible for it to scratch the paint on the car. I think it's brilliant. I've tested this a fair few times, and the thing I'm using the most is actually the sink, but I've used it a lot throughout summer. So now come winter season, I will use it a lot for fire cooking again. If you want to get more infos on these and have a better, closer look at these and also the bracket itself, please have a look at our website, perthpro.com.au. The link for the barbecue/table/jerrycan hold down bracket is in the video description below. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you for the next one.